Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis and Company. Today I'm going to talk about the appearance and non-appearance of the appearance of parties or non-appearance of the parties and their consequences. So first of all, let's talk about the appearance of parties under Rule 1 and 12. So Rule 1 states that the parties to the suit must attend the court in person or by their leaders on the day fixed in the summons for the defendant to appear. Whereas Rule 12 provides that where a plaintiff or defendant who has been ordered to appear in person does not appear in person or show sufficient cause for non-appearance, the court may dismiss the suit if such person is a plaintiff or proceed an ex parte decree if such person is the defendant. Now we'll talk about where neither party appears, which is given under Rule 3. The rule states that in cases where neither the defendant nor the plaintiff appears when the suit is called for hearing, the court may dismiss it. In Freudus Omer versus Bankim Chandra Dodd in the year 2006, 6 SCC 564, the court held that dismissal of a suit for non-prosecution for non-appearance of plaintiff does not amount to decree and is therefore not appealable. Now, where only one plaintiff appears, it is given under Rule 610. Rule 6 of the court states that in cases where the plaintiff appears and the defendant doesn't, the plaintiff has to prove service of summon to the defendant. If the service is proved, the court may proceed ex parte against the defendant and may pass a decree in favor of the plaintiff if he is able to prove his case. Now, what does the Rule 10 says? Rule 10 states that where there are two or more plaintiffs and one or more of them appear and the others do not, the court may permit the suit to proceed as if all the plaintiffs had appeared or make such order as if things fit. Now, in Sangram Singh versus Election Commission AIR 1955 SC 425, the court had stated that his provision is confined to first hearing and does not per se apply to subsequent hearings. I hope you are pretty much clear with the appearance of parties and consequences of non-appearances. If not so, then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts and queries so that I can clear up all your doubts and queries in my other session. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.